GoPro cameras might seem like reasonably self-contained packages, but there are plenty of useful GoPro accessories that can augment and improve your shooting. You can use some additional gear to tap into the action camera's full potential. Also, investing in GoPro accessories can be tough, as there are a lot out there that can be highly useful for you. The best way to determine which ones will best fit your needs is by evaluating yourself and your usage. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The GoPro Dual Battery Charger conveniently charges two Hero 6 Black or Hero 5 Black camera batteries simultaneously. It has dual LED lights display charging status of both cells and includes a spare 1220 mAh lithium-ion rechargeable Hero 6 Black, Hero 5 Black battery. When combined with the separately available supercharger, you can expect up to 45% faster charge times. Moreover, it allows you to charge your spare batteries while you use your camera. Another advantage is that you can load it via any USB port for faster charging, and you can use it with the GoPro supercharger. The GoPro 3-way grip, arm, and tripod can be used as a camera grip, extension arm, or tripod for ultra versatility and a variety of shots. Also, the handles double as a grip, and the handle can be detached from the arm and used as a lightweight camera grip. Besides, it offers a waterproof design that uses in and out of the water and is configurable for a wide range of uses, from capturing POV footage and selfies to follow cam, static tripod shots, and more. On the other hand, the folding arm makes it easy to capture selfies without the mount appearing in the shot. Moreover, the removable tripod conveniently stores inside the handle, and it measures 50.8 centimeters when fully extended and collapses to 19 centimeters. Another advantage is that the handle can be detached from the arm and is used as a camera grip. The GoPro Surf Mount is ideal for activities where maximum holding strength is needed, and it includes FCS-compatible plug for mounting to FCS center fin socket. Also, it offers adhesive anchors and camera tethers for enhanced security. You can mount your GoPro to surfboards, kayaks, SUPs, boat decks, or other gear where maximum holding strength is needed. Besides, the package includes two adhesive surfboard mounts as well as two adhesive anchors, two tether straps, a rubber locking ring, and an FCS-compatible male plug. You can stick the GoPro surfboard mount on your water sports equipment without fear of it falling off with maximum holding strength in the FCS plug and rubber locking plug. The GoPro The Handler gives you stability and control to get your shot, and the quick release base lets you switch between mounts with ease. You can drop it in the water, and the bright orange end of the handle pops to the surface, making it easy to spot. Also, it keeps your GoPro afloat better than ever before so that you can shoot in and around the water worry-free. Besides, it's easy to switch between mounts with a quick release base. It comes with a comfortable non-slip construction for a secure grip. Another advantage is that it has a wrist strap lanyard included for extra security. Moreover, it provides extra stability when you're shooting water scenes, and it keeps your GoPro camera and its attached backpack accessory afloat when you're not holding the grip handle. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.